Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We are out here in the marsh today. I'm out here with Ruben from Texas All-Water Fishing. We're chasing redfish through the marsh today. It is bitterly cold. I think when we got on the water, it was upper 30s today. It has warmed up a little bit, but we've already caught a few redfish. So I'll show you some of that footage here in a minute. It's been really decent out here. The water is really low. I was a bit worried about getting back here, but so far so good, and we're in a little bit deeper water now. But the redfish bite has been on. It's been great. It's just a really nice day, super calm. We're seeing redfish all over the place. We've been casting. We have caught a few of those, but we're gonna get back to it, see what else we can catch. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button below. It really does help me out more than you know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe as well. I'm getting really close to 10K. I think I'm a few hundred away, so it would really help me a lot if you could subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. But let's get to fishing. There it is. Yeah, got him on the topwater. I saw his tail a minute ago. Had to stop here. Seems like a little redfish, but redfish nonetheless. I got him double hooked on this topwater, which makes it a little difficult. There we go. I managed to hook this guy twice there. Did catch this on the old skitter walk there, topwater. My favorite way to catch fish. Good looking redfish though. Solid. Pretty. Big old tail. All right, bud. Let you go. He's coming to say hi, Ruben.
Do I catch him?
That water is so cold. Oh my God. I am, again, not a fan of the cold. Well, this is the first time I get to try out the new Laguna. This is the Light Texas Wader. Beautiful. It's got the carbon. Super nice. I've got the spiral wrapped guides. It's just, yeah, work of art here. So we are going to try that out today. So there's that.
Oh my gosh, this is big.
All right, that one seems a little better. Feisty redfish today. Yeah, that's a good one. That is a good redfish there. And he hit it right next to me. Only a few feet away, which is surprising. Normally the kayak alone is enough to spook them, but not today. All right, let's see what we got here. It's a good fish. And again, that was on the K-Wiggler Willowtail This is like the Texas roach. I don't know what they call it. I think it's actually called Texas roach from them, but you're making this difficult on me, dude. Now that is a good fish. Whoo! Yes, sir. Got 3 spots. One side, one spot on the other. Yeah, good fish. I actually want to measure this one. Is just under 26 inches. Solid redfish there. Get one more look at him real quick before we let her go. See you later, buddy. Look at him. Oh, that was a good one. That was a real good redfish. That's why I love these winter months. While I hate the cold, it's worth it to come out here and fight fish like that all day. So there it is. Oh, there's a whole school of them, dude. Yeah, come over here, dude. There's a whole school to the left. This one's a little one. Yeah, they moved to the left.
Shit, oh shit, right in front of me.
So we got another one on here. I'm trying to be quiet. Ruben's over here. Now we came up on a whole school. So hopefully I didn't spook them too much here. And maybe we can get on a few more before. I did switch colors. This is Payday down south lure. This guy's a little bit smaller than the last few, but still a redfish, still catching fish. So I'm gonna get him back in the water. Get out of here. And try to make my way back over here as quietly as I can, so that hopefully the both of us can hook up on a few more. There we go. Ruben's got one now. Be cool if Ruben would stop making so much noise, though. That looks like a good one, huh?
There's a good one. Get you back at the launch. I'm gonna ride my.
Dude, that's got to be a good 26, 27.
Yeah, I think so. Let's just let him tire out. Let's have to rushing him now.
Yeah.
Got him.
We are going to continue to work this little corner here because that's 2 in a row. Honestly, today has been pretty much non-stop. Catching fish all day. I think the moment we got into the marsh here, it's really, I think we've got 7 fish now between the two of us, so definitely can't complain. We're seeing the fish come up, we're seeing their tails, we're seeing the splashing, seeing them in the water. The water's super clear today. we're just gonna keep on going because, you know, it's just one of those days. It's actually just, you know, that time of year. There we go. We got another one. Oh God, where are you going? Where are you going? You're back out. Come here. That's a decent one too. And I will tell you, all these fish today, they're hefty. They're footballs. Big old fish. They are healthy back here. That was almost back-to-back casts. I think I only cast twice in between. And again, man, I'm moving. There we go. Again, I was on down south lure. This is payday. Really like it. Good fish. Pretty fish. Let's go ahead and measure this one. I bet we got another one that's at least, looks like he's probably 24, 25. Well, I can't measure you if you do that.
That is 28 and a half. 28 and a half.
25 and a half. Hey, buddy. Cheers.
Cheers. 28 and a half.
Nice.
Go bye-bye.
He's feisty. He's ready to go. Double hook up. There's a few of them, dude. Oh my God.
Yes, go ahead. You see him?
Get it. Get it. All right, cast over me.
Oh, there, cast, yeah. Retrieve the cast.
That's got to be money right there. That's going to be a fish. There it is. Another good one. Hey, you need to calm down, bro. Oh my God, where's my... Oh, this one's gold. Super golden. And now Ruben's hooked up. There are schools all through here. Just nonstop. Just nonstop. Again, payday. It's doing the trick. But realistically, I think any color at this point would catch fish. So, man, that is a stout, heavy redfish there. Look how blue that tail is. That's just awesome. Posing for me. All right, let's measure him. Another one over 25. So let's get him back in the water. Get him moving. So much fun. Got another good one here. It's just non-stop today. That's it's just crazy. What's also crazy is it's 40 degrees outside. You can see I'm wearing a sweater and a jacket because it's cold. Yeah, it's really cold out here. Yet I'm still getting bit by mosquitoes. Didn't even think they could live in cold weather like this, but apparently they can. I was wrong. Ruben jinxed us today. When we got here, we were complaining about the cold, and he said, well, at least there's no mosquitoes. And I blame Ruben. Well, it's not supposed to look like that. But again, it's on payday. I think it's time to switch out to a new lure because, well, that one's just about had it. Another solid redfish. It's just, over and over. Do I even need to measure him? I don't know. We're gonna do it anyway, just because. And we got a 24 this time. 24 and a quarter. So all these redfish today, minus a few, have been in that 24 to 26 inch range. All solid redfish. I'm gonna go ahead and let this guy go. Get back to fishing. Normally I take a little bit more time, show off the fish a little bit more, but because we're catching so many, I don't want to waste any time. I just want to get right back to it. So that's what we're gonna do. Back to fishing.